In healthcare, Gen AI is changing our interaction with patients. Nursing shortage is one of the biggest problems in healthcare. Nurses, they are not dealing with the patient anymore, but dealing with systems, with documentation and so on. Documentation takes 40% of their time. AI can support the nurses in a lot of aspects. Patient safety is enhanced. AI is never getting tired, never forgetting something, and the optimization of processes, boring processes, which is enabled by AI, gives more free time for the nurses to concentrate on the patient. Every boring aspect of work can be done by AI.
We are using generative AI models to train large language models, which is fine-tuned on our medical documents, which can be used to run chatbots or models integrated to help medical professionals to find data more easily. The computing power is critical because to run large language models, you need a lot of computational power because of their complexity. We have recently installed new XE9680 Dell systems. It has helped to decrease the time from training to evaluation in a clinical setting. It has likely half the time we need.
When we as a hospital talk about an AI factory, we have demands on patient security, on data security and so on. And so we decided to have an on-premises solution. As a hospital delivering critical services, there was no other choice than this combination of Dell and NVIDIA.